What's going on, guys? This is Danny for Slow Restoration, and you may recognize this car if you've been a subscriber for a little bit, few months, couple months maybe. We did a bunch of work to this. It's 2000, I can't remember now, 2007 I think. I could be wrong, 5 to 7 Infinity G35S. We did a complete actually cat back, I guess it was, stainless steel 304 stainless steel exhaust system. Sounds really good. We have a video on that. You can kind of see it up under there. We did upgrade on the brakes. We did some drilled slide rotors. We also had to pull the transmission and do all the clutch hydraulics in this car also. A few other things. We did some air intake and stuff. Now it's back, obviously, and we are going to, this is going to be our second wrap. So this car is also getting a color change. We'll wait a little bit to reveal the color. Won't be too long. But before that, I think we're actually going to run it up the road and stop in at a detail shop. You may recognize the detail shop also. But obviously it's pretty dirty, and when you start the wrap it needs to be nice and clean and all the waxes and stuff like that removed off of it. So we're gonna run it up there. I think we might try and get the windows tinted for the customer also. He was kicking around the last time he was here. He just didn't quite have enough time to leave it. So we're gonna get the windows tinted. We're going to get cleaned and prepped for a wrap, so it'll be, you know, a thorough cleaning with no waxes or anything like that. So let's jump in it and run it up there and see what we can get done. Definitely should have grabbed some sunglasses. It's a beautiful day out though, and this car actually drives and sounds really good. Guys, we're actually pulling up here now, and it is Pristine Auto Detail. Looks like they're doing a little work to the building. Looks like they may have called it a little bit of an early day today, but we'll catch up with them and we'll get this job done anyway. Alright guys, we are on our way to Pristine Auto Detail. We're going to check on getting this car detailed before the wrap. Not so much, you know, obviously waxes or anything like that, just a good thorough cleaning. I talked to Chad a little bit. He wants, you know, we'll let him see the car and decide what he wants to do. It's pretty much going to be a, like I said, thorough cleaning, like all the cracks and crevices and stuff like that around the trim and stuff, anywhere the wrap's going to go. And obviously no waxes, actually do wax remover and stuff like that. If you guys did see his video when he tried, it was hot out and he tried to bake some cookies in his car and it didn't quite work out. I thought it might be funny. My wife cooked some cookies, so we're gonna go deliver these and try and butter him up a little bit with some fresh baked cookies. So let's get up there and get this figured out. All right, we're pulling up to the door here. Walk our cookies in here. Alright, so Chad just showed up in this 56 Ford F100. It's a really clean, nice truck. Well, it's a little dirty, but it's sitting on a modern chassis. It's got everything, power inside. It actually has independent rear suspension. It's a well done truck. Sounds good. Chad said it drives better than his Honda.
This thing is sweet. Wonder how much something like this is
to build. Yeah. Probably a good bit.
It's cheaper than a brand new truck though. Maybe not. Yeah,
probably not. Probably not. There's a lot of work goes into this. Take a peek at the interior.
Yeah, power seats.
Power locks, power windows. got the whole modern everything in it. What's powering it, do you know?
No, I didn't even pop the hood. See what's underneath.
Yeah. Cool.
No, you-
Under the hood here we have a 4-liter V6, so it's the Ford Explorer modern drivetrain in it. Of course it's got air conditioning, fuel injected. Nice clean truck.
Thanks for stopping by, man.
Yep, thank you.
Appreciate
Thanks
it.
for showing.
Good luck. Do they know about the next project?
No.
No, they don't know about it
No.
yet?
Sort of. That's what this video is. They'll know when they're watching it. So.
Okay. Yeah, cool. I'm anxious to see how it turns out.
Yeah, me too. It'll be my second one, and I learned a lot from the first one, so
Cool.
hopefully this one's better.
Yeah.
We'll keep improving as we go.
Well, once you're done this one, I'll send my car over your way.
Right. Yep.
It'll be mine.
Yeah. All right. Well,
Very good.
we're not going to take up any more of these guys' time.
Yeah, Mustang week here, I guess.
Yep. Enjoy your cookies.
Yeah,
I'll drop
I
some
appreciate
pictures
it.
out.
Appreciate it, man.
Yep.
I have old cookie dough in the freezer, but I don't think I'm gonna eat it now.
Right. All right, guys. We're out of here.
Cool, thanks, man.
First step in the car wrapping process is going to be cleaning it. Obviously, we did take it to pristine detail. They're just a little bit backed up right now, so they can't fit it in before I need to start on it, which is fine. I shouldn't have waited till the last second. So now we have to clean it up ourselves. So I just took and washed it. Cleaned up pretty good already. Now I'm going to actually take the pressure washer and finish getting all the dirt and stuff out. Well, yeah, you can see this stuff comes out, all these cracks and crevices. This car wasn't extremely well maintained. It probably sat under a tree or something. Excuse me. So as you can see, there's still stuff stuck down in these cracks and crevices, and that's where we have to wrap or tuck the wrap into, and that's the first place it'll fail if that's not clean. So we're going to keep cleaning on this, but it's definitely a drastic improvement. Now this car is not by any means perfect. There's a couple dings. There's one there, there's a few other door dings, and there are some light scratches on it, paint chips, stuff like that. That's part of the reason why we're going to wrap it, but you will see some of that through the wrap. The wrap, you know, isn't super thick to where it covers every little imperfection. These little scratches and stuff could possibly, you might still be able to see some of them through it, but it'll definitely look better, and it'll be a drastic change in the looks of this car. Alright guys, it's a little breezy out here and there's cicadas making all kinds of noise, but we did get this cleaned up and it helped a lot. But this paint surface is just absolutely horrible. I'm gonna run my hand across this and see if you can hear this. You can just hear, you can hear my hand dragging. It's just extremely rough surface. It almost feels like sandpaper. So this hood's been repainted at some one time, and it's definitely not been taken care of. So we got some clay. We're gonna clay bar it. We'll probably end up having to clay bar most of the car just to get this prepped, because the paint is really in such horrible shape. I want to give the wrap every chance it can to stay, you know, not fail, not give it any opportunity to fail. So we're gonna take every precaution we can. We got our little helper out here today, Scout the dog. He's very bored already, but he's here helping me. We do even have, I don't know what that is. It's actually part of the paint missing. Almost looks like it's cleared over, so I think that was done before it was painted, or as it was painted. But anyway, that's gonna have to stay because we're not painting. I am going to use, we obviously don't want any waxes at all on this surface before we wrap. So I just have a bucket here, and it's got some Dawn dish detergent. We're going to use that kind of as a lubricant, so we'll just kind of drizzle some on here, and we'll get clay, and you can feel a difference almost immediately. This clay starts really gliding. But this isn't a video about clay barring, so let's get this done. We got the hood and front fenders clay barred, and you can definitely see there was a repair on this fender. You can see the line right where they went. So yeah, that's part of the reason we're wrapping this car. Alright, we just got back from Pristine Auto Detail. We got the windows tinted on this too. We also, by the way, got the windows tinted on the front of the Yukon. Got them color matched. I don't think I've mentioned that yet. Hey buddy. And back out to this, obviously this is the color. It's a pearl white. It's an Avery wrap, pearl white, gloss pearl I think they call it. And we also got the windows tinted all the way around. Looks way better. Once that wraps on there with these windows tinted, it's really going to transform the look of this car. He's also going to do something with the wheels, but for now, window tint and wrap is what we're doing.